Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to redeem V-Bucks on Epic Games. To redeem V-Bucks on Epic Games, the first thing to do is to open up your Epic Games launcher. Log into your account like you normally do, and then go to the upper right corner and click on your profile picture. From the menu, choose Account. After you open up your Accounts option, it'll take you to epicgames.com website from where you can redeem your V-Bucks. Simply go ahead and scroll through from the left-hand side menu from your account settings page and click on Redeem Code. Once you click Redeem Code, it'll take you to the Redeem Code text box. Scroll down and then click on Redeem Your V-Bucks Card Here link. Now click on the Get Started button and enter your V-Bucks code in the text box. Carefully scratch the back of your V-Bucks card to reveal the pin and enter it without dashes. Right after you do that, click on the Next button and follow through the instructions. Choose the platform where you want to use the V-Bucks and then review your account device and add V-Bucks balances. And that way the V-Bucks will be added to your selected platform. That's how you easily redeem your V-Bucks on Epic Games. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.